Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Sana's Kitchen. I'm Sana Safi Nachan, nutritionist, diet consultant, and assistant professor of food and nutrition. And now I'm going to show you today a evening snack loaded with nutrition and good to munch in evening when you are in a weight loss session. Now, this is a power-packed recipe which is not only delicious but it has lots and lots of benefits, and it is called as a seed mix. Now, here are the ingredients which you can see are there in this. You have to collect these ingredients. Now, for this you need 100 grams of almonds, 100 grams of watermelon seeds, 100 grams of pumpkin seeds, 100 grams of sunflower seeds, 100 grams of raisins. You can take any raisins you want to, and 50 grams of flax seeds, and 100 grams again of walnuts. Now you can see all these are 100 grams except for flax seeds, which are half of it. So you have to be careful about it. Now you have to chop the walnuts into halves because then it is very good for roasting. See, I'm chopping these almonds. You can make it into two halves. Similar way, you can chop the walnuts into small pieces because then it becomes very good. It is very good for roasting. Now, after you have done this chopping, you keep that everything ready. Girls, this recipe is so nutritious and so innovative, I tell you. See, these are the chopped walnuts and chopped almonds ready to be roasted. Now, you have to take a pan and you make sure that the pan is completely dry, and you have to add 5 to 6 tablespoons of salt in it. Now, roasting in salt gives it a different flavor, and then it doesn't give you the burn flavor. If you roast it without salt, they get roasted, but then you have that little bit of burn flavor. So you have to roast it in salt. And do not worry about the salt because that will come out in excess. So you have to roast it. Now see, almonds are powerful antioxidants, high in proteins, high in vitamin E, good for diabetes patient, and it lowers the cholesterol. Now you can add the walnuts also, the chopped walnuts, and you can roast it along with it. Now walnuts again are very good at controlling your cholesterol level, controlling diabetes. It reduces the appetite as it keeps you full for longer, and it is good for maintaining blood pressure, and it also promotes heart health. So you can see so many benefits of these two powerful nuts. If you should have the habit of munching it every day, now what you have to do is, now you have to remove it on a plate. You just take a strainer and remove it on a plate. You can see that they are roasted. Do not roast it too much, just roast it little bit, because the more you roast, the more properties it gets destroyed. Now the same salt, you can see the salt is turning brown. In the same salt you have to add the watermelon seeds. Now again, watermelon seeds are high in protein, high in zinc, fiber, so it is very good for your immunity, especially now in the COVID era, and it's great at weight loss. Even it reduces the risk of heart diseases. So you should have that habit of munching it, but it gets roasted very fast, so you have to take care. Little bit brown they become, you have to just remove it, and you roast it differently. Do not roast it with another seeds, because then the timing of roasting of all seeds become different. Okay? So you can see how they are becoming golden brown, and you have removed it. Now it goes for the pumpkin seeds. Now pumpkin seeds and sunflower seeds can be roasted together because it almost takes same time for roasting. Now pumpkin seeds again are high in zinc. They help in burning fat. They're very good at fiber. They're very good at protein. And then again for sunflower seeds, they are very good again in protein, and they aid in weight loss. Okay, they are calorie dense, but sunflower again are very good. Now it's time for the flax seeds. Now again, flax seeds are very good in proteins, omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin B6, and great at maintaining weight. It lowers the cholesterol level, and they are good at controlling blood sugar levels also, and it reduces the hunger pangs, because when you are in a weight loss session you have that hunger pangs. So if you prepare this and keep it, it reduces your hunger pangs. Now it's time for the raisins. You should always put raisins to the last. See, raisins again are very good. What they do, raisins do, is they reduce the sweet curb which you have it during, because you stop sugar and then you have the sweet curb. They are very good at potassium, manganese. They are very good for your joint pains also, and especially for the pain during the menses. So now see, this is the most important thing that you have to do. Take a strainer and then you add all that nuts in a strainer. See, you can see, because you have to remove the excess salt, and this is very important because you should not eat excess salt, and you have roasted it in salt. But this by doing this method, you remove all the excess salt, and you just have to strain it. Yeah, you strain it twice for more better results. You strain the excess salt away, and see, you can see you've strained all the excess salt. Now this is a very important thing. Please do like my recipe and do subscribe my channel, and do share my recipe also if you like it. Thank you so much for sharing my recipes also. Now I see, now this is done. You can see the power packed food is done. Now this is the portion size which you can have it in the evening when you are in your weight loss sessions. Now this is the exact portion size to be eaten at that time. Thank you so much.